In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Glassdoor account. If you've tried this before, you know Glassdoor doesn't always make account deletion obvious, and the exact path can vary depending on whether you signed up with an email address or through a Google or Facebook login. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the standard flow and share what to look for so you can complete it smoothly. Start by opening your browser and going to www.glassdoor.com. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. If you created your profile with an email and password, sign in with those. If you originally used Google or Facebook, use that same sign-in method so you land in the right account. Otherwise, the delete option might not appear. Once you're signed in, head to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. In the menu that opens, look for Account Settings or sometimes Profile Settings. Different accounts may show slightly different labels, but they take you to the same place. Your account controls. Inside Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where Glassdoor typically places options like Delete Account or Deactivate Account. Keep an eye out for wording variations such as Close Account. Glassdoor occasionally changes the label, but the intent is the same. If you see Delete Account, click it. You'll likely be asked to confirm, and in some cases to re-enter your password or acknowledge what will be removed. Before you finalize, take a moment to understand the difference between deactivating and deleting. Deactivation usually pauses your access and visibility, while deletion is designed to permanently remove your account. If you choose deletion, expect to lose access to your profile and any saved items. Some content, like reviews or salary data, may be handled according to Glassdoor's policies, but you should proceed assuming the action is permanent and can't be undone. If you don't see a delete or deactivate option in your settings, that doesn't necessarily mean you're stuck. Glassdoor sometimes routes account removal through their support or privacy request tools, and you may find a link or prompt within your settings directing you there. Follow any on-screen instructions presented to you to complete the process. A couple of quick tips to make this easier. Use a desktop browser for the fullest set of controls. Confirm you're in the correct account you intend to remove and read any confirmations carefully so you understand exactly what will happen. That's it. Once you confirm, your request will be processed and your account should be on its way to deletion.